Hey y'all, got another DIY. This one turned out pretty. We all like it. It's a leaf stand thing that I got at the Dollar Tree for $3. And all the other stuff is from Dollar Tree except one leaf from Hobby Lobby. I hope y'all like this one. Okay, I'm showing you what I'm using. Some baby wipes, some of the antique wax stuff if it ever gets in focus. And all them different paints, my paintbrush, and some cups of water to mix the paint with. That's where I'm mixing up my colors. I've never tried this before, but I saw it, and turns out I mixed too much water, so I have to go over it with several different coats. I did my yellow, and now I'm doing my orange. That orange really didn't show up much with the first one. I think it's a different type of paint. Some of them darker than others. It's still looking pretty. It's just too light. Now I'm doing my red. I did more paint with it, so it did a little bit better on the first coat. It's actually pretty. I love these leaves. They look so neat. That one actually was the best one. For this last one, I thought I was going to try a copper color. But as you'll see, it don't really do much at all. It looks almost like that orange one up there. So I end up changing that one, and I take and add some purple to my red and make a darker color like that for the bottom one. It was really bright there at first. Okay, then I decided I didn't like it. It was too light, so I've added more of the same watered down mixtures. The yellow one looks pretty up there. More orange paint in that one because it just didn't do much. That helped a little bit. It looks better than it did the first go round anyway. It's all coming together. It's looking pretty. Now I'm doing my red. And now I'm doing my purple red. I think for the red one that time I just added some of the copper over the top of it. So I still didn't think it was dark enough. So I'm just going with straight paint. I end up liking it a lot better that way. I know what I did. I mixed too much water with my paint. So if I try this again, I'll do just a little bit of water and see if I like it. But I think this is looking a lot better. Tell me what y'all think. Do you like the more washed out look, or do you like the brighter look? I did some brown on the bottom too. And now I'm going over and adding more straight yellow paint. Had a little run there, so I had to lay it down before I could finish. And then I add the antique wax stuff on the bottom too. It ends up pretty good. So I'm showing y'all what it looked like. I like it a lot better than colors. That's pretty. That's where I add the wax to the bottom over the watered down brown paint. And then I used my pen there and went around the edges. Not that you can tell it much. I shouldn't even have did that. It didn't matter, but I did. Now we decorate. I had all this stuff out because I didn't know what I was going to do. Ended up not doing very much. Y'all know me. I seem to be more minimal with my decorating. But I think it turns out really cute. First time I'd use this straw stuff. It goes everywhere, huh? But it works. Gives the effect you want. I just used my hot glue and glued some on the little stand down there. Glue a few, add some more, glue a few, add some more. Then it needed trimming because it was sticking out everywhere. Well, I got it looking nice. I thought I wanted them glittery pumpkins, but I didn't end up using them. I used that more normal looking pumpkin. And some leaves. All from Dollar Tree, but that one. So this is almost a total Dollar Tree DIY. I think we can get by with just one leaf being from somewhere else. Just glued that pumpkin to those leaves. Made that leaf stand up where I wanted it to because it wasn't cooperating. And I still tried that glittery thing again, but they just didn't look right. So I decided to add that one leaf there. That little one, I like the colors on it. They matched my sign. And then I'm going to add a sunflower. Thought I might add two, but that was too much. So I ended up adding one of those. And then off camera, I add a little bit more straw to right under where the pumpkin sits. And that's it. And here it is, y'all. Please let me know what you think. I think it turned out cute. If you liked my video, please give me a thumbs up and please subscribe.